Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Kei aku nui ki aku rahi ko hono mai ki whakaata Māori. Ko ngā tama tāne o Te Papaioea, ka paka ngā kia ki te kapa o Kawakawa o Feilding High.
And of course, coaches Mr. Turnok and Bruce Samara. Over to you, Josh.
And the game's already started, and I'll do the lineup for Feilding High School. So we have at 1, LD Goodman, 2, AP Whakaava. Oh, ko taka. Koe ke panuku, koe ke panuku. Ko ngā piro tuatahi o tēnei rā.
But Feilding has still got numbers. Yeah, so we've just got Rob Foreman here, one of the coaches here at Feilding, and his boy Nixon, number 12, Nixon Foreman for Feilding, just kicked a penalty. About 10 out from the Feilding High. Number 4's got it, Ollie Reid. It's gone to ground though. The Boys High seem to have, yeah, they've got a bit of movement on in this maul here, Josh. It's getting closer, they're going to do something. It's gone to ground, so they're going to have to do something. This must be right on the line. Yes.
E whakarite ana mo te koke whakamua. Wow, ātāhua. Ana nā, koe ke panuku. A whai piro. Ko te tumanako. Ana nā. O. Ka pai. Ko whai piro. Ke te koke tonu, ke te kōkiri tonu, ngā tamatāne Te Papaioea. Rua mita te tata. Koe ke panuku.
The arms out again. Pulling it down, I think. And that's a try. Great defence from both sides here. Little sniping run from the halfback, but they've got the big boy. And it's a try again in the corner.
Laviawa, once again, brilliant player.
Yeah, they're basing a lot of their game around him. It's a bit of pace here.
Palmy boys will try and get up quick. And it is over. Ko whakaiuhu waka a te haikura kawakawa me te mihi ana hoki ki taua kurara. Ko rātou whakapaukaha.
Everybody that I know,
Yeah, they down with this.
Papaioea ki Māori.
Cause they down with this.